Hello friends, I'm Nikos, also known as Wealthy Forever, and today we're going to watch another video about the progress of my investment with the company TEELX. I'm now on the 400th day since I started, and today is May 30th. Every 10th, 20th, and 30th of the month, I share these updates to show how my investment is evolving over time. It has been a long journey, and I am excited to see what the future holds for this venture. At this moment, we are receiving the performance bonuses from the entire team's turnover, meaning absolutely everything that has been successfully achieved during this specific 10-day period. The time right now is exactly 7:45, and in about 15 minutes I'll also be making the fourth signal for today. So let us take a very close and detailed look at exactly where the account stands right now. If you recall correctly, I had made 3 separate withdrawals, one of $10, one of $500, and one of $200, and I had only invested $500. So let's see how my account looks after 40 days and $710 withdrawn. We click on Funds at the bottom right, and we see that at this moment, as we speak, it is at $2,099, and I have another signal for today, so we'll go to $2,110 or $2,115, somewhere around there. It has started to grow extremely fast. Every day now it gives me about $80 with the 4 signals, and the capital is increasing very quickly. So let's take a look here at movements. These green and red, green and red, green and red. Green represents the returns. Red is what was withdrawn to play each signal. So we have 1 signal, 2 signals, 3 signals, and further down, 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 you can see where it says giving amount $289. The total giving amount is exactly $289.44 in total. I'm absolutely blown away by what I am seeing here today. I honestly can't believe my eyes because the total cost has come down to just $0.44, which is an incredibly low price for something like this. And of course, as the team grows, as the turnover increases, the bigger the bonus will be. So for someone who sees TEELX as a business opportunity to promote it, apart from the bonuses from their own signals, they will also receive additional bonuses, team bonuses, development bonuses, and it's a very good boost. This bonus every 10 days? Yes, soon we'll also make the signal for this. So, this 10-day bonus that comes from the team's turnover, let me show you the team, where all I did was introduce 5 people, and from there everything happened on its own. We don't know who will introduce whom or who will bring whom. Let's go ahead and navigate down here to the section where it says Share. As we can clearly see on this screen, the entire team currently consists of 63 different people, of which 54 individuals have already successfully completed their initial deposit. Consequently, this means that there are 54 active members in total right now. And as you can further see down here in this specific area, in my very first line there are only 5 people listed. You can definitely see that the team is very active and engaged. In the second line, there are 18 different individuals, and the remaining 32 other people are located further down. I have absolutely no idea who they are. The only ones I actually know are my first 5 people, along with the specific amounts they deposited. Beyond that, I really don't know what's happening. I have no way of knowing what amounts they have deposited. The point is that every 10 days, the alarm system is set to notify me for the... Let us take a brief moment to pause right here to look at the notification. Every 10 days, based on the overall team's turnover, I will receive a commission of exactly 1.5%. During the previous 10-day period, it was $98.50. but for this current 10-day period, it has already reached $280 something. So as you can see, it is a lot of growth. To be honest, I really didn't expect it to be quite this much, and that is exactly what has so pleasantly surprised me with using TEELX. Besides the simple fact that it is just so incredibly easy to get the notification, you will actually see it happen right now. As we are sitting here talking, a clear pop-up window will suddenly appear right in the middle of the screen saying that I have received a new message, which is just so convenient for my workflow. An invitation for copy trading, and I just have to click confirm in the middle. I click confirm, it takes me to this page. I scroll all the way up, and then these little green letters at the bottom that say confirm copy trade. I click that, it takes me to this page. I click the big green button that says confirm, and that's it. That's all there is to it. I don't need to do anything else, just 3 clicks to make my trade signal. It's that easy, that simple. So my friends, that's it for today's video. It was a bit longer, but it was worth it. I showed you things that I discovered myself. I hope you're all well and healthy, and that you can generate a substantial income and achieve financial success in whatever specific business activity you're currently involved in. Please consider subscribing to my official channel right now so you can get notified immediately about all the brand new educational videos that I am constantly creating for you. And if you decide you want to get involved with TEELX after you've done your own thorough research, you can reach out and send me a direct message personally on Telegram or Facebook at any time. In the video information, I've included both my Telegram and my Facebook. I just want to remind you here that I am neither an investment advisor nor a financial consultant. What you are seeing is simply the progress of my own investment with the company TEELX. And none of this is investment advice, so please do not take it as such. This is not professional investment advice. Please remember that everything you find on the internet carries a substantial and inherent level of risk, and we only invest money that we might potentially lose a portion of or even the entirety of by tomorrow. That is exactly what I wanted to share with you today, so I will say goodbye for now until we meet again in the next video. Please take care of yourselves.